Hello Hull, this is Julie Hesmondhalgh and I am absolutely beside myself with excitement to tell you that I'm here in the upper foyer at Hull Truck as they prepare to open to the public for the first time in 15 months. And we're going to be here from Monday the 7th to Saturday the 12th of June, performing live to an audience, greatest play in the history of the world. That's the title of it, it's explained in the text. But we're also going to be live streaming on the 7th, and that'll be available to download all through the week. So if you can't make it in person, and we'd absolutely love it if you could be here in person, then you can download it and we'd love to see it on the other side of the screen. It's a lovely story, a love story based on a northern street that takes in themes of love, loneliness, isolation, reaching out and connecting across the void. It's also about time, space and the universe. What's not to love? Hopefully see you there, here at Hull Truck, 7th to the 12th of June. Lots of love.